The last topic we will look at today is how to back up your EndNote library in case something happens to your computer. So you'll remember that we talked about the importance of saving your working EndNote library to your local hard drive. If you save it to a network drive or on the cloud, you risk corrupting your library file. However, having your EndNote library on the local hard drive of your device does mean that if your hard drive dies, you could lose your whole library. The solution is to make regular backups and store them somewhere safe, just in case you need them. There are two ways to back up your library, and I'll cover the simplest way first, creating a compressed library backup file. I select File, Compress Library. By default, this will be a backup file containing all my references and all my PDFs. I choose Next and give the backup a name. It's useful to include the date so that I know later on when I made this backup. I click Save, and now I have a compressed backup file with the extension ENLX. I can store this backup anywhere I like, in a cloud drive like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. I can email it to myself, store it on an external hard drive, wherever it will be safe. And then if the worst happens and my computer dies, I just download the backup file to a new computer hard drive with EndNote installed and open it up in EndNote. It will then be my new working EndNote library. Sometimes students ask, how often should I back up my EndNote library? And the answer is, as often as you like. It's a good idea to back up after you've made significant changes to your library, like at the end of a day where you've added lots of new references. Basically, if you would be very upset to lose the work you did that day, that's a good prompt to create a new backup. Now there is another backup option, which is using EndNote Online to sync a cloud-based copy of your library with the copy of your library on your computer. This has the advantage of being a more automatic backup, but it's a bit more complex to set up. If you're interested in this option, you can read more about it here on the EndNote Guide. The guide also provides more information about other features of EndNote, including how to customize the EndNote interface, how to import journal terms lists, and how to work with long Word documents, as well as where to go for further help.